welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make Bayou brownies. Okay, so I'm going to start with the yellow cake mix and half a cup of butter. My little helper's mixing it up for me. And we're going to have one egg.
Flip.
Yep.
Okay, let me mix it.
So. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit like dough when it's done. I'm kind of going to use my hands to mix it a little bit. Okay. Okay, see what it did? It formed a nice ball like this. So it made it a ball like this. This is what it's supposed to look like. So now we're going to take this baking dish and we're going to press this into the bottom of it. A lightly greased dish. Out to it fills the dish. I'm going to spray a little bit of this on my hands because it's sticking terribly to my hands. And that way it won't stick.
She makes very good stuff.
Okay, see how that looks? I'm going to wash my hands. Okay, so next, we're going to take this thing. So break 2 eggs in the bowl. So there's 2 eggs. Break it in there, put it in here.
Oh.
In here, that's okay, just put it in there. Okay. Now dump it in here. Okay. Philadelphia cream cheese is container of confectionate sugar. All of it. First we have to put it down. And then I have to do it on medium. Go ahead. Oh.
Oh,
How about on slow?
that's slow. Oh, dear.
It shows I've cooked for a long time and I'm not.
That's actually really good. It's turning yellow.
Oh my goodness, it looks beautiful. Let's show them.
That's a really nice color.
It is very nice color. This is what it,
Turned out right.
wait, it's not done yet. This is what it's starting to look like. It's not
Yes,
done
it's
yet.
very yellow. It's a really nice yellow.
Mix it until it becomes smooth. It's absolutely
That's
beautiful looking.
smooth.
It is smooth. There you go. Dripping beautiful.
Oh, I just want to touch some.
Okay.
Can I touch it?
Wait, that's egg, so you're not really going to eat it. That's raw eggs here. Okay, see how it looks? Gotta get over here. Okay, dump it down, back and forth.
Like this?
Wait a minute. Whoa, look at you. Where's that? Get over here. Stay over here. You got all that over there. Okay, just wait. Let me see. Let me look in there.
Dang, I got egg yolk on me.
Okay, see how this pours just like that? Just make it so it goes over even.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait. Okay, this is going into the oven at 325 for 40 minutes, or until set. This is so delicious. I ate all that by myself. Bayou brownies. Okay, so let me get rid of all this. Okay, so now, put your face in. Okay. Watch out. Okay, so you're gonna mix the next stuff up, okay? You're gonna mix all the stuff up I tell you. Okay? Okay, so now we're gonna take,
I have to go wash my hands.
okay,
Again.
sorry.
It's
So now we're gonna take this baking dish and we're gonna press this into the bottom of it. A lightly greased dish. Just keep pressing it out till it fills the dish. I'll put a little bit of sugar on my hand, so.
I need a paper towel down, cloud, me down.
I'm gonna spray a little